Hello everybody, sitting in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can find, access, download and respectively install the Call of Duty game on this device. So first and foremost you have to launch the Google Play Store. Let me quickly show that if I'll type in the XIAOMI mobile query, it will not provide me with the results that I were expecting it to. So basically, if you are not able to find the Call of Duty at your Play Store, that means that either the parental controls are active for the Google Play Store app, or the PEGI rating or PEGI content filter is enabled for less than PEGI 16. So here we can choose two ways that we can proceed from here. We can either increase the allowed PEGI age restriction or disable the parental controls whatsoever. So in order to do any of those, you have to tap on your avatar, then go into the settings and expand the family section, go for the parental controls. In order to increase the PEGI rating, just go for the apps and games, enter the PIN code, you obviously have to know it, and set it to be add at least PEGI 16, understood, save, and from now we can actually find and download the the Call of Duty mobile game. But if you would like to know how to disable the parental controls in general, totally, whatsoever, just turn off the switch like so. And that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.